This section of the video will cover crochet instructions and techniques. You may first open to the corresponding pages in the knitting booklet for a general understanding, and then, with the further explanation in this video, you can get started more quickly. So from the night sky fabric part first, point the weave notch and suture towards the non-dominant hand as shown in the video. The upward side is the front. Turn it upside down, face up. Fold the fabric in half into a triangle. And will serve as a top exit. And this side will need to be sutured. And when you suture this side, the knit takes the shape of an ice cream cone. After confirming the facing and sewing position, the next step is to rust 12 yellow stars on the front of the weave. Take a piece of yellow yarn about 20 centimeters long. Scissors disconnected. The yarn is then divided into 2 strands. You separate the 2 strands, and you attach it to the blunt needle. Take the knitting and start embroidering yellow stars. The direction of the fabric is notch up, sutures towards the dominant hand. The blunt needle runs upward from the back of the fabric. Pull out the yellow line segment. Leave a small tail line on the back and fix it with your fingers. Then embroider the cross star. After embroidering the cross stars, tie and fix them on the back of the knitting piece. After the knot is fixed, you can choose to cut the yarn and continue to embroider the cross star so that the back is more beautiful. Or you can choose not to cut the yarn and continue to embroider the cross star so that the back will be more messy, but because the back is inside, it can be covered. Refer to the previous content actions. Continue to embroider 11 cross star patterns on the front of the knitting piece. The size of the cross star pattern can be embroidered according to your own aesthetics and preferences. Try not to move the pattern position of the cross star too far to the side. Go directly to the state after the 12 cross-star patterns are embroidered. Finally, tie the knot and fix it on the back. Scissors disconnected. The embroidery of the cross-star pattern is complete. Next, fold the fabric in pairs into a triangle. Sew with reserved yarn. Fix the yarn to the blunt needle. Suture this side. After sewing to the top, tie the knot and fix it. The last hidden line and the broken line. The stitching of the night sky is complete. Next, hot melt adhesive will be used to assemble the star part. Take 2 stars of the same size and color as a group and place the 2 stars with their backs facing up. Glue the end and end of the rope to the center of the star. Take a piece of star first and apply hot melt glue to the center of the back. Paste one end of the rope in the center of the star. Take another piece of stars of the matching size and color, align them back to back with the 5 corners, and paste. Next is the pasting of the 5 corners. Open the 5 corners first. Then apply a little hot melt adhesive. Hot melt adhesive should not exceed the edge of the fabric as much as possible. When applying the hot melt adhesive, try to apply it inward. This can better control the glue overflow on the edge. Refer to the previous action content to complete the next star assembly, and no more explanation will be given. The first rope with stars is assembled. According to the video style, assemble the other two star ropes by yourself. And then finally, you assemble the rope. And with crochet, you're going to go through the top of the night sky and into the gap in the night sky. Then hang the center of the rope on the crochet. Pull the crochet back and pull the rope out of the top of the night sky. The first rope is assembled. Refer to the previous content action and assemble the other two ropes with the night sky. Three ropes are assembled. You can adjust the height of the stars according to your personal preference by adjusting the center position of the top of the rope. The wire ring at the top can be tied to a key ring or a backpack for fixing. A star lanyard and you're done! Hurry up and crochet a lanyard of your own. See you next time. Bye!